Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Wow! Amazing! Here we go!
Yahoo!
Huh?
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Okay.
Wow!
Ta-da!
Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye! Woohoo! Oh, yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh, no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye. Have a great time. Okay, let's go.
Woohoo! Bye-bye! We're in trouble now. Here I go! Woohoo! Whee!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Uh-oh. Hello. We're in trouble now.
Huh?
I got an idea.
Here we go.
Thanks, Pally.
Come on.
Okay, okay. Here I go! Wow!
Here we go.
Woohoo! I'm ready! Go, go, go!
Bye. Have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show.
Here I
Whoa! Amazing!
My God, are you still talking?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now. Sunshine, good morning. Okay.
Go, go, go!
やれば愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ Oh yes! Bye bye!
Good job! Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Going to Kansas kids today. I'm looking for the jump flubby ones. We're going to find you some chubby kids and we're gonna make some money.
Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Ho-ho!
Uh-oh!
No way! Wow! It's magical!
Come on, boy.
Woo! Let's go.
Going, we're going! I love it! Come on, step it up! Go, go, go! Okie dokie!
Amazing! Here we go!
We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Oh no. Hello. Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I am ready to put on a show.
Go, go, go! Don't ask questions you aren't prepared.
Okay.
Wow!
Are
Congratulations!
you still talking?
Okay.
2.
Good job! Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye.
We're in trouble now. Okay!
Wow! Amazing!
Are you all right?
Okay.
9.
Good job.
Wow! Congratulations! Oh yes!
Here I go!
料理は愛情美味しく料理してやるぜいっぱい美味しくしてやるぜバイバイ
Oh, wow.
2.
Oh no!
My God, are you still?
Bye.
Okay, let's go! Bye, have a great time!
Amazing!
Wow, so much heat.
You're my hero!
Gary!
Hey, what happened?
Oh, hello!
Hey, you, let's go!
Okay.
Come on, step it up!
Going, we're going!
Bye, have a great time!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that!
Wow! Amazing! Bror, niemand point!
Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh. Jake, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer, nicer.
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I took $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come.
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go! Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
Hi, you're a great team.
Nicer, nicer.
Oh yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh. Right.
Good gravy!
Get in here, you little
Too easy! Piece of cake!
Nicer, nicer.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Wow! It's magical! Take a shot, nerd!
You gotta be kidding me.
Hello.
Where'd he go?
Let's go!
Nicer, nicer.
Here we go!
Oh no.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Get in here, you little bastard.
Great. Woohoo!
Come on, step it up!
Congratulations!
Okay!
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
Come on, step it up.
Oh my god!
No, 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 no.
Looking cool, Joker!
Hey, what happened?
Hey, you, let's go.
Gary!
Come on, step it up.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors yet?
We're in trouble now.
Yummy!
Hello, Ed boys. Don't call me honey.
Go, go, go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Whoa, amazing.
Hello.
Here I go!
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Let's go!
Gary!
Let's go!